What is up, people, and welcome to my brand new review. In this review, we will test how to get the latest working scripts for your Steal a Brainrot game for your Roblox absolutely free, safe and online without downloading any modded APKs or any software. Guys, you can do it with your iOS devices or even with your Android or your PC devices. So guys, it works perfectly for all those devices. And for a start, let's go to this website. It's called bloxforge.com. You will find it easily, guys, and search down below for browse scripts and click on Steal a Brainrot, guys. It should load up and then we will have to enter our Roblox username or our user ID. So guys, don't worry, because it's the only thing that we will actually enter here. So I will just continue with my username like this. Click connect account, guys. It will start fetching our Roblox profile and we should get this confirmation. So guys, if it's your account, just click yes, connect, and boom, that's pretty much it. We're successfully connected. And now, guys, we will have to get any executor into our Roblox in order to use these scripts. But don't worry, because we can import now Delta executor. So guys, if you already have Delta, just make sure to select yes. If you already have a different executor, just select I already have a different executor. I will just click import newest Delta executor because I currently have no. And you will get this option for installing additional scripts. So guys, that's the key moment, because when you click there, you will have a list of ultra scripts that you could import within your Delta. So I will go with NICUs, guys, just for test to see is it actually working. You can Google them and see what features they have. So I will just click continue with this and API will start connecting. So guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with all these kind of reviews and tutorials, because I'll record it more and I will review more websites. So let's see. API is connected, our script, one script selected is ready, and we got our activation key. Nice, guys. So now we will have to click I'm not your robot, because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. So just click I'm not your robot and let's see what we will get. So nice, guys, look at this. Thank you for passing the bot check. Our script is imported. Oh my god, let's see, are we actually getting it, guys? I will just open my Roblox and then we will go to Steal a Brainrot. There we go, and click play. So guys, let's hope that we will receive two things. First thing is Delta executor and second thing is our script. So let's see. Let's wait a little bit and let's make sure that it actually works, right? Okay. Nice, guys. Look at this. We got our Delta fully activated. Nice. And let's check up for the script. So let's click there. There we go. I cannot believe, guys, that we actually got our NICUs script imported. Just click execute, guys, and you should get this message. So just click play again and let's try once again. You can also import another script that actually can glide. I'm so excited because we got it imported and now we can do literally whatever we like. We can also import more scripts and test a lot of things. So let's test it, guys. There we go, Steal a Brainrot. So we just go there and click on NICUs. Let's wait a little bit and boom, look at this, guys. We got our premium fully activated script for our Steal a Brainrot. Guys, you can also use admin commands here, and look at this. You can enable literally a lot of options and you have as well many options. So guys, you have shop and you can import more scripts to play with. So guys, I'm so excited because it actually worked after testing a lot of websites. bloxforge.com was the only working one. So guys, yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. If you do, make sure to like this video, to comment down below and to subscribe to my channel. And once again, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.